Oh, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mums out there. The good ones, the not so good ones, and the ones who treat parenting like it's a seasonal hobby they picked up during lockdown and quickly got bored of. Let's start with the classics, the MVPs. The mums who can find a missing sock faster than an MI5 can locate a terrorist. The mums who can cook dinner, fake a sibling fistfight, and answer a Zoom call without even blinking. It's actual sorcery. These are the women who deserve medals, or at least a hot cup of tea they don't have to reheat 12 times. You are the unsung heroes, the human lie detectors, the emotional shock absorbers of the home, the ones who still remember which kid is allergic to what and which teacher hates them this term. We see you, we love you, we fear you in the nicest possible way, obviously. Now, let's move over to the slightly more abstract form of motherhood. You know the type. The mums who think quality time means scrolling Instagram next to their child like an emotionally unavailable statue. Or the ones who shout, "I'm doing my best," between vodka sips at 11 a.m. while the toddler plays Find the Sharp Object in the front garden. Oh, yes, of course. Yes. Don't, of course, forget the cat mums. Special shout out to the mums who would rather pay £400 on a hyper-allergenic Persian but won't let their kids see their dad because he once parked slightly over the white line. Yes, Sharon, we know the cat doesn't raise its voice or question your passive-aggressive tirades. We know. It's perfection, really. To be fair, the cat probably does make a better conversation than you do anyway. And then there are the performative mums. You know the ones. They post inspirational quotes about motherhood being the hardest job, while their child is outside unsupervised, trying to sword fight a wasp with a garden rake. Yes, Karen, posting a photo of your child with a #blessed doesn't make up for the fact that you once fed them Monster Munch for dinner 3 nights in a row. Now, real talk. Let's pause the jokes just for a second. A serious toast to the real warriors from the heart. The mums shielding their children from abusive ex-partners. These women are doing the impossible, fighting a war they didn't start, with no backup, no medals, and usually no sleep. They absorb trauma like a sponge, so their child doesn't have to. These aren't just mums, these are generals in slippers. And if the world were fair, they'd have statues, not just court hearings. But let's not forget another heartbreakingly overlooked group. The mums who are missing their kids today. Mums who have been alienated, sidelined, erased from a narrative like a bad plot twist. They're not absent because they don't care. They're absent because someone else made sure they couldn't be there. And today, it's different for them. So if that's you, and you're spending today grieving a child who's still alive but out of reach, know this, and know this proper. Your love doesn't expire because of injustices. Your bond isn't broken. It's just waiting, and you're not alone at all. Now, that's our regularly scheduled sarcasm. To the mums who think gentle parenting means whispering threats like a Bond villain. To the ones who claim they co-sleep for bonding, but really just can't be asked to get out of bed. To the mothers who make everyone take their shoes off at the house, but they haven't cleaned their kitchen since 2009. We salute you, sideways. Because here's the truth. Mothers don't come with a manual. It comes with guilt, judgment, unsolicited advice from strangers named Brenda, and usually a bottle of Pinot Grigio hidden behind the spaghetti hoops. So whether you're absolutely nailing it, spectacularly winging it, or somewhere in between, whether you're the kind of mum who packs organic lunches or the one who bribes your kid with Jaffa cakes, whether you're spending today surrounded by loved ones or you're just trying not to cry in a Tesco car park, this day is still yours, even if all you've got to show for it is a crayon drawing of a wonky dinosaur and a mug that says world's okayest mum. And finally, to the mums who've turned their trauma into resilience, protect their kids from chaos and survive the system that was never built to support them. We see you, we honour you, and we hope one day the world catches up. Happy Mother's Day to the saints, to the strugglers, to the sarcastic, to the sanctimonious, and yes, even the cat-buying narcissists. You all make the world go round, or at least give it something to gossip about. Have a good day. Cheers.